Hey guys, it's Katie. And today I'm going to be doing a pack with me for spring break video. I'm currently on spring break right now. I just got out of school around 2 hours ago. It is currently March 29th, 2019. And for my spring break, I'm gonna be going to Rosemary Beach in Florida. And I'm so excited because I'm going with my family and a ton of my friends are going. It's gonna be so much fun. And so I wanted to do a pack with me / get ready for spring break with me. I know a lot of people have already had their spring break and I think mine is pretty late compared to like normal people. But in this video, I'm just gonna be packing. I'm gonna be shopping and I'm just gonna get ready for break. I am leaving to go to the beach on Sunday, and like I said, today is Friday, so we have 2 days to get all ready. But if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down below and click the little bell icon to get notified every time I post, to turn on your hashtag post notifications. Also, if you want to keep up with me on my spring break adventures, you can follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat, and all my other social medias will always be down below. So it is currently 5 o'clock on Friday, and Cole, my boyfriend, is coming to pick me up, and then we are going to meet our friend Neil at the mall tonight, and we're just gonna be spring break shopping. He needs like swimsuits and stuff, and I'm just gonna be going along and we're gonna shop together. I don't necessarily need any new clothes for spring break because I already ordered all mine online and they already came in, but if I do find anything, obviously I'll show y'all. But yeah, I'm just really excited because I get to leave my house and it's first day of spring break. So with all that being said, I'll vlog when I'm with Cole and Neil. Neil!
Hey guys. Oh. Neil!
I'm third wheeling now.
So
we made it to the mall. I'm currently in the bathroom and there's a lot of people in here and they're all staring at me. It's now 6:20. I'm gonna go pee and then we're gonna eat some Chick-fil-A.
Thrasher?
You're wearing Thrasher. That's so bad, Cole. We're in Zooey's now. I don't love this store. This is where they shop. I don't shop here. Oh, and now Cole's feeling himself. Neil's gonna get this Vans red one, and then the Santa Cruz blue one. Cole! Navy blue Vans, and this one's Billabong, right? Billabong!
Bada bong bong.
You ready?
Yep.
Ready to go spend your money, Cole?
Yep.
Ready to spend your money, Neil?
All of it.
All of it. Okay, let's go. This line is taking very long. Can we get food after this because I'm hungry?
Yes, Katie, we can go to Chick-fil-A and I'll pay for you.
Okay,
Your
thanks, Cole.
Chick-fil-A sandwich, fries, and the ranch.
Thanks, Cole.
No problem.
Hi, Neil.
I matched the bag.
You match. And then there's Neil. Oh, Neil. Okay, well now Cole and Neil are just gonna go buy me Chick-fil-A because they won't let me pay for it myself. Neil. I hope you drop your food.
Ready?
Food haul.
I'm delivering her food.
Wow.
Show them what you already got.
Lemonade, ranch,
Not just one,
straws,
two.
french fries. Hot. Thanks, Cole. Okay, time to eat and not record because I've seen like 14 people stare at me. It's the Easter Bunny. So we're in Francesca's now, which is, I don't know if it's like everywhere, but it's a boutique store. And they have a lot of like cute clothes. And Neil and Cole are just watching me. I don't really like the clothes in this store that much, but they have the rosebud style that I use and I really like this one. What is happening? Hey guys, so I just got home from the mall, and at the mall I didn't really vlog too much, but I did go into Forever 21 and I bought a few things, so I thought I would just sit down and show you guys some of the spring break clothes that I got for this haul. So step 2 is go buy clothes and haul them. I love Forever 21. It's where I get a majority of my clothes, and in Forever 21 I got a few items. So the first thing that I got are these black flowy shorts, and I just think these are gonna be so cute for like beach cover-up shorts. They're adorable. They're really cute, and they're stretchy and flowy, so I just think with like your cute little bikini top, and then these shorts will be so adorable for Instagram pictures if you don't want to be like too exposed or anything, or just walking around with like a cute tube top. So they are originally $15 and they were on sale for $10, and I got mine in size medium. So yeah, that's just what they look like, plain black flowy shorts. I don't know if I'm doing this a justice by showing it like this, but then I got this really cute sunflower crop top. It's called a halter top because it ties around your neck, and then the back is just like open and it just has one strap on the back. I don't know if you guys can see too well when I'm holding it up, but it's so cute and I think it's adorable. Sunflowers are like my favorite thing ever just because they're so bright and yellow and pretty, and I think this with these shorts is going to be such a look. So I got this halter top, and this is in a size large, and it was $8 right there. I didn't even check the size on this when I got it. I just picked it up and grabbed it, so I hope it fits, but that's what I got. And then also in the checkout line I saw this cute little headbands, and I thought this would be cute to add to this look too, or just wear it whenever. I've never had a headband before like this, but this is just a yellow hair wrap, and it was $5. I'm gonna open it up and try it on just because I've never worn something like this in my entire life. I just want to see if I look dumb in it or like if I can pull it off. Okay, definitely dumb. It could be cute to add to a certain outfit if you knew how to work with it, or a scrunchie. You can also use it to tie your hair back if you're like taking off your makeup or anything. So those are all the things I bought in store at Forever 21. And then at Francesca's, I just got the little lip balm. This is the Smith's Rosebud Salve. I have the exact same Rosebud Salve in the little squeezy tube, and they had it in the little compartment. How do you say this? The like smushy one? They had it in this kind, and I love lip balm like this just because you can dip it and then spread. And this has to be my favorite chapstick recently, like so much. I love it the most, and this comes with so much product in it, so now I got doubles. And at Francesca's, I think it was like $9. Yeah, so at Francesca's I spent $8.62, and at Forever 21 I spent $24.57. I just wanted to pick up some new pieces for spring break that I have not worn yet or anything, and I think these are so cute and I can't wait to pack them in my bag. And then I'm also just going to show you guys, I placed an online order off of Forever 21 online, and a few things came in, and I want to show you guys what I got online versus in store. I took them out of the wrapping, but I've never worn any of these before, so I'm just going to show y'all. So first I got this super adorable red Coke tube top, and I think this is so cute. Even with the black flowy shorts, I think that'll be such a look. I tried this on and it fits so well, so I got mine in a size medium, and this was $15, and it's just so cute. Like, I cannot wait to wear this. I think it's gonna be a look. And then I got this adorable white and blue striped tank top, and then it just has like little buttons right here. It's cropped, and I got this in a size medium, and this was $10. I cannot wait to wear this either. I think with the black shorts, again, it's gonna be adorable. And then on my online order from Forever 21, I got another pair of shorts, but these are workout shorts, so you say mid-rise short, and they're from their active line. So these are also in a size medium, $15. And I love Forever 21 sports bras, and so I always need more shorts like this because I run out of Nike shorts. I only have like 3 pairs, and so I was like, hey, I want to try out Forever 21 activewear, so I decided to get this black pair of shorts, like running shorts, and they're such nice quality and they fit me so well. They also have a little butt pocket in the back, which is so cute. They're just little sporty active shorts, and they fit really well. I tried them on with the red Coke tube top, and it was so adorable. And then the last thing I got from my online Forever 21 order was this romper. So this is just a red tube top romper attached with some shorts, and it reminds me of something like lifeguardy, a good cover up or a good going out outfit for during spring break. So I am very excited to wear this as well. It's super thin material, but also very soft to just throw on over anything or wear it as its completely own look. So yeah, I got all those new clothes. I'm going to be packing all of them in my suitcase tomorrow when I actually sit down and film the packing portion of this video. I don't know if I'm going to pack a little bit tonight later, but I'm so tired and I've been editing this video already. But I think that's it for tonight. I will update you guys if I start packing later, but we will see. I just wanted to sit down and show you guys all the clothes that I got. Hey y'all, so it is now the next morning, and I'm going to start packing by choosing out my swimsuits. I have to go through my drawer and choose the ones that fit and the ones that I'm going to want to wear at the beach tomorrow. We're going to be there for 5 or 6 days, so I'm going to choose that many bathing suits, and I'm just going to put y'all in time-lapse mode as I go through them. So I just finished packing my entire suitcase. I fit everything into it. I know I have way more outfits than needed, but I want to be cute, and I'm gonna take a bunch of beachy Instagram pictures, and it's gonna be so fun. So I brought a ton of outfits and a ton of bikinis. We're only there for 5 nights, I think, and 6 days. I'm pretty sure. I'm not entirely sure though. But yeah, I'm going to pack my book bag with like makeup and my hairbrush and electronics and stuff. I'm gonna be doing that later because it is only 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm really proud of myself for getting that that much done. So step 3 packing, pretty much complete. So now my mom and my dad and I are gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna get some food that we can take on the car ride and on the trip. Step 4 is get some food. We are shopping and we have a whole bunch of junk food in our cart just for like trip treats and for just snacks while we're there. We're still getting food. My mom and I got like makeup because she needed some, and then I just got waterproof mascara because we're gonna be in the ocean. There's no more Mike and Nikes. This is the cart so far and it looks like we're gonna be obese this week. Hi y'all, so it's now like 10:15 at night and I'm just sitting here on FaceTime with Cole and I look at my lives. I look at my live sub count and I'm literally 4 subscribers away from 50,000, which is so freaking crazy. Like, I can't even imagine having 50,000 people watch me. It's literally so crazy. So I'm gonna put this in time-lapse mode and we will see when I hit 50.
I can't wait to see you, brothers. I want to see you.
Oh my gosh.
You did it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry.
Oh,
I'm legit gonna. Oh.
you did it.
Oh my god. 50,000.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. 50,000. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. It's insane to me that 50,000 people, actually 50,001 and 2, 50,002 people watch my videos. So I just want to take this time to say thank you to every single person who has ever subscribed to my channel, watched my videos, left a comment, liked my videos, anything. If you've ever taken part in this journey of mine, I just want to thank you for everything that you've done for me. I cannot be any more happy, any more grateful, any more thankful than I am in this current moment. YouTube is not about the numbers whatsoever, but having 50,000 people watch my videos and click a button because they enjoy watching my videos is, I can't even fathom that amount of people. Like Cole said to me a few minutes ago, he was like, imagine 50,000 people standing in a line, and I cannot imagine that to save my life. A lot of people, this is probably just a small step and it's not a big number whatsoever, but to me this is a huge deal and a huge number and such an amazing accomplishment. So I just want to say thank you. If you supported me along this journey, you mean the most to me, and I can't wait to see how far we keep going and how much I progress doing this thing that I love. With all that being said, I'm gonna vlog a little bit in the car tomorrow when we're driving up to Rosemary, but then I will end that video there and then start vlogging my trip at Rosemary. So I just wanted to sit down and say thank you so much for 50,000 subscribers.
She was like, I want a chocolate donut. And then she gets it, she was like, no, I want a glazed donut, chocolate.
We're in Alabama. We're at a rest stop now to go pee, but we only have 2.5 hours left until we get there. But I think I'm gonna end my vlog now, or like as soon as we get there, something like that, just because I want to get it up as soon as possible. I'm gonna go pee really quick, and then we have 2.5 hours left.
Got a beach house in Rosemary. Wake up with no berries.
We officially made it to Rosemary, but I got changed in the car. I'm wearing my Coke tube top and then the shorts from Forever 21. We made it to Rosemary now and we're gonna go find lunch. Photo shoot time.
I don't know how to work this.
Are you zooming in on my face?
I'm trying.
What's up, vlog?
It's Chase's corner here.
I forgot to put deodorant on. She forgot to put deodorant on. What's up? Where are we?
Hey, welcome to Rosemary. We're Cowgirl Chicken.
Cowgirl chicken?
Cowgirl Kitchen.
Kitchen.
What's up? Gonna get a cocktail.
And I'm not.
On vacation. You don't want to be in Caitlin's vlog?
No.
She'll make you famous. No. Come on, Dimple.
I see you, Dimple.
I like that name. That's a cool name.
So we ate and now we're just walking around until our condo gets ready. I've taken some Instagram pictures. I haven't posted them yet though. I took them. Chase took them. Brother! Say hi.
Hi.
We got to our little condo building and we're unloading the car, putting it all in these luggage racks, and my mom looks like the abominable snowman. And Chase, his shorts are pulled up way too high. Bust down, beach boy. I want to see you bust down.
We're at the beach.
Hi, Mimi. Y'all, it is cold here. It's like 60 something degrees and it is really, really cold. Like I had to put my sweatshirt back on because I got so cold. And get ready for a house tour. House tour, yeah, our condo is sick. It's so cool and the view. PS4. The view is amazing, so I can't wait to show you guys. So we got into our little condo and I'm gonna give y'all a condo tour really quick so you can get the lay of the land, and then I'm gonna end this vlog for spring break day 1 and packing with me. Hi, I'm Katie and welcome to my crib. So when you first walk in, straight on the right, there's the bunk bedroom, which is where my brothers are gonna be sleeping. There's like a queen on the bottom and then a twin on the top. And in here they have their TV with like their PS4. They have their desk and all that. Then if you go to the left, you have my room. And my room is really cute. It's like blue and mermaid themes. So I have a queen bed, I have a dresser, a TV, bunch of decorations, and in my room I also have my own bathroom, which is right here. What's up, y'all? There's my shower, my toilet, my mirror. If you go out of my room and go straight down the hallway, then if you go to the left, there's the washer and dryer, and go to the right, this is the boys' bathroom. Boys' bathroom is really pretty. It's big too. Oh, there is a crab in the sink. So yeah, their bathroom connects to their room, which is inside of here, which I just showed y'all. Coming out of their bathroom is the kitchen. So here's the kitchen. It's all just like a brown, a wooden. It's super pretty. And then the living room is all orange. It's so cool. And to the right of that is my parents' bedroom and bathroom. So here's their bathroom, master bathroom, then here, and then here's their master bedroom. Then going outside, the best part obviously is the crazy view. Our view is so pretty. Here's the view from the balcony. It's so big and so nice. Here is the crazy big balcony. Look how huge it is. There's so much space and the view is absolutely stunning. So yeah, that is basically the condo tour. It's super pretty. And I'm gonna go edit this video now. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me pack and get ready for spring break, and then me vlogging our trip so far and how we traveled to get here. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also click the little bell icon to turn on your hashtag post notifications to get notified every time I post a video. You can also follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and all my other social medias will always be down below to keep up with me in my spring break journey. Also, thank you guys so much for almost 51,000 subscribers. I'm less than 100 away, and I literally hit 50,000 last night. Less than 24 hours, we already got 1,000 more, which is crazy. So thank you for all the love and support. But with all that being said, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.